Hello everyone, my name is Valery and I'll show you today how to work with Inphase from Waves, especially the one that you can layer two single sounds. So what we're gonna do, this goes in one, this goes in two. What you have to do is then select both and send to the bus. There we go. And on the third one, you use the Inphase. Then on the section B, you put the sidechain. And then what I figured out, you go to processing, stereo in on one, stereo aux on two, and you select it. And so you see, now you can layer your two sounds, but of course it doesn't mean the sounds will be compatible or something like that. Then you click on capture, and here we go. So you see two different sounds by single sound. On the A, this is the waveform. On the B, so it's also important that you put both them on. And there we go. But you see the correlation is already fine, but if I'm lazy, what I'm doing, I don't even go zoom in. I just check the correlation like that. 28, 31, 36, 38, 39 was the best. See, easy, feels like cheating. But does not mean if the sound gonna sound very nice. See, the layer of the kicks, nonsense. But to show you that is different, the waveforms are different. Let's see. Okay, the other one, how to layer the single one. Let's disconnect. You don't even need only here. Just put it on the main. So it's a bit different. Channel 1, channel 2. Click on capture. Bah, the phasing is already perfect. But if you still want to do some things with left and right channel, here on the left side, you can always play. Well, this was it. Have a good day, guys.